Here's a couple of ways that you can take advantage of some of the tools on your active panel to open up your opportunities when it comes to perhaps hybrid learning, when you've got students in the class with you, but you've also got students at home for whatever reason, obviously. So because with the active panel, you can load up your G Drive and access all your teaching resources from here. The way I've got this set up is my laptop is my video conferencing tool, and my active panel is my teaching tool. So I've got people in front of me right now and they can see the screen, and I've got students at home and they can see the screen. You can also incorporate, if you choose to, you can also incorporate the active panel into the actual Zoom session if you want to make this big and bold and bright for the students to see really easily on the screen. It's really quite simple. It doesn't matter what video conferencing suite you're using, whether you're using Google Meets. In this instance, we're using Zoom. I've got Zoom loaded up on my panel, just jumping into the locker, and I know it's in here somewhere. I've lost it completely. Here it is. Sorry for the delay. So Zoom will fire up, and then I'm just going to put in my ID, and I'm going to make it a participant in the conference. So as soon as that fires up, I can join a meeting. The meeting ID is... Set from there. It's called the active panel, and I'm going to join. Now you'll see the screen is suddenly going to change a little bit as this individual becomes a participant in the screen. I'm going to join with video. I have to admit, so if you excuse my finger for a minute, there we go, just admit the participant. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this screen. And what you'll notice is, got it? What you're going to notice is, first of all, you can see how the screen's changed already. And I do have a camera joined in, so I'm going to stop the video on there, just to make it a little less confusing. We get a bit of infinity going. But more importantly, down the bottom is the share. Scroll up, share screen. And now you can see how the screen's done this bit of a wobble. And big on the screen is my active panel. Now, it's really important to note that while we engage with the panel, the students aren't going to necessarily see where I'm touching on the screen on the big image, but the little camera that I've got in the corner, the little picture of me, they'll see where you're pointing to. So what I've already got set up is a Google slide. Credit to Rachel Duckworth, this is an amazing slide, it's really, really cool. So here's my teaching tool. The students can see it big and bold and brave on the screen there. They can also see me as I'm engaging with the screen, so I'm working on stuff. We can take advantage of the annotate tool if we need to bring attention to certain things. It's really quite simple. I'm going to jump out of this and share with you another tool that you've got that you can take advantage of. So get out of here, go to recent apps, close Zoom. So this will all change again, and I'm back. Another tool that you've got at your disposal with the Promethean active panels is the screen share option. Now, whether we're in the other mode or in this mode, with screen share, it's important to remember that this particular product is what we call network agnostic. What that means is the students, the devices, don't have to be in the same Wi-Fi as the active panel. So that means any student at home, on holiday, anywhere around the world, can mirror their device up here. So it might be a case that you're 27 students. We've got 39 slots we can fill, so the students from home, once they've got this code, can dial in. And then as you want to see their work, maybe it's little Johnny sitting at home. When you want to see his work, you simply tap on Johnny, Johnny's work comes up, and you can engage with him at home via the video conferencing tool in front of you. The point I'm trying to make here is your laptop is the video conferencing tool, and all the other features and functions you're going to want to take advantage of to engage with the students, to see their work, to carry on teaching, is available on the active panel. I know it might sound a little bit confusing, but it's really, really very simple, and I'm more than happy to take the time to help you get this up and running for the comfort of yourself, for the comfort of your parents, and for the comfort of the students.